All right, and we're back once again Saturday afternoon. Just finished up the little chopper. This is something I've been working on for a while. At the old shop, I started it, did a little bit on it, brought it here, did a little bit on it, and kind of threw it in. So I don't know how long it's taken me, quite a while, but the overall project didn't take that long. Just used a bearing race. So we got in a pile of junk and some round rod. I'm not exactly 100% sure what the rod here is off of. Just some 1/8 inch rod, castle nut or cap nut, and then I glued a light bulb in there to give it a front light. Hand formed the tank with just a little Phillips head screws. There is the cap. This is a shift knob. You get them off Amazon. These are just some 5/16 nuts welded together, and some more 1/8 inch welding rod. Same with the frame. We used 1/8 inch welding rod, and this is some of the real thin, I think 1/16 rod that we're using for the hands and the feet. This was another bearing race that I got in a pile of stuff. A couple pipe plugs. I think these are like maybe 3/4 pipe plug. This is just I don't know, like 15/16 wrench would fit on that nut. A lug nut, and then a Allen bolt and a stove bolt ground down, and then we're using a hose clamp for a belt drive, and then this has got 1/4 inch rod there for legs with some more hose clamp as some chaps, and then that's pretty much about it. We ran a bolt through here just to kind of keep this was spinning, but I've tacked that to itself, so, and I can see a little tack right there, but that's pretty much what we got going for this week's video. It was just a little chopper guy we made. Pretty cool. Pretty stoked on how it turned out. I'll do like the rest of the stuff. We're gonna get some stuff together and I'll put them into an automotive clear coat. I'll probably just pull the head off, clear this, and then, you know, put the head back on and tighten a little bolt, or maybe just JB weld it or something on there. That's pretty much it. So remember, get out there and create something today, even if it sucks. Peace.